Recently, I've been longing for a change in my home decor, something that feels more authentic, closer to nature, and holds a deeper personal meaning. So today, I'm bringing in a collection of beautiful handcrafted pieces from Fuhao, made with sustainable materials like water hyacinth, seagrass, to show how even the simplest items can transform your home with charm and character. Unlike plastic-made products, these pieces are filled with warmth, and that makes a huge difference when decorating a home. Fuhao's collection handicraft by artisans in Vietnam using eco-friendly materials. It's not just about aesthetics, it's a lifestyle choice. Greater than let me walk you through how I use a few of these pieces. Greater than rattan tray. I styled it on my coffee table with candles, dried flowers, and a ceramic cup. Greater than water hyacinth baskets, perfect for blankets, books, or simply as rustic wall decor. Greater than seagrass basket, perfect for organizing daily essentials in my room while bringing a warm, handcrafted feel to the decor. Greater than jute mat, I styled it in my room to add a natural touch and used it as a textured indoor accent for cozy, eco-friendly decor. Greater than these pieces don't shout, but they speak beautifully. Decorating your home with handcrafted pieces isn't just about making it look good, it's about bringing intention and warmth into your space. And if you're into natural, eco-conscious living, Fuhao's handmade items are definitely worth exploring. Let me know which piece you like the most, and don't forget to share your own ideas in the comments. Until next time, keep creating and keep it meaningful.